today we will be starting with short run production and variable proportions. Okay, when we talk about the short run production function, तो यहाँ पे one factor which is verifying quantities of other factors. जब एक factor, one factor verifying quantities of other factors are fixed. जब एक फैक्टर को हम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं when we are verifying that factor and when other factors quantity is fixed, दूसरे फैक्टर की क्वांटिटी जो है वो फिक्स्ड है, right? Then we see the law of variable proportion. See, as you can see here, law of variable proportion. Law of variable proportion में हम ये देखेंगे that how this production function actually works and how this production function is principled, right? Law of variable production proportion means जब output of variations in factor proportion is being studied, जब उसका effect, जो भी effect है output का variations पे, उसकी study हम करते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं law of variable proportion. Yes, जैसे जैसे क्वांटिटी बढ़ती जाती है, वन आउटपुट, वन इनपुट जब हम कंसिडर में रखते हैं, जब एक इनपुट फिक्स रखते हैं हम, टोटल प्रोडक्ट इनिशियली इंक्रीज होता है उसके रेट के साथ एंड इट डिक्रीज फाइनेंशियली व्हेन इट कम्स इन नेगेटिव. जब हम उसका नेगेटिव कैलकुलेशंस की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, मतलब वो चीज जो है वो डिक्रीज हो रही है. When we talk about law of variable proportions, जैसे जैसे quantity of one input increase, other inputs are fixed. When total product initially increases at an initiating rate, increasing rate, right? Then a decreasing rate, जब rate decrease हो रहा है तो finally वो product जो है वो negativity में चला जाएगा. That means उसका negative rate जो है वो start हो जाएगा. Get it? Right? And when we talk about its diminishing returns, जब हम उसकी diminishing returns की बात करेंगे तो it's like a new name, right? शॉर्ट रन प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन का न्यू नेम जो है वो है लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग रिटर्न्स. यस मिहिर, कैन यू रिपीट द सेकेंड नेम ऑफ शॉर्ट रन प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन? We are not able to hear. First unmute and then say. Law of diminishing returns. Okay, law of diminishing returns. When the state of technology is assumed कि वो change नहीं होने वाली. When the state of technology is assumed that it will not change, that it will remain unchanged. Fine, clear? Next, कुछ इनपुट क्वांटिटीज ऐसी होती हैं, कुछ इनपुट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनकी क्वांटिटी फिक्स होती है कि हमको 5 बल्क्स में इनपुट देना है तो वो 5 बल्क में ही इनपुट देना है. देन ड्यू टू चेंज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी उसके प्रोडक्शन नंबर्स में चेंज आ सकता है, पर उसके इनपुट्स फिक्स्ड रहते हैं. क्लियर? यस. नेक्स्ट इज मेजर्ड इन फिजिकल टर्म्स. प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन इज ऑलवेज मेजर्ड इन फिजिकल टर्म्स. Yes, Mehak, can you read out this law of diminishing returns? All the 3 points which are displayed on your screen, beta. As you can see the screen, it is a graphical representation when we talk about the stages of law of variable proportion. See, very first point, the slope of curve, the slope of TP curve is MP, right? The slope of total product curve is MP. See, you can see the first graph here. First और second graph को इन्होंने relate किया है MP, AP and TP नाम के words हम लोग यहाँ पे देखेंगे. See, when you are able to see the first graph, देखो total product दिया है आपको, points are given F, H, O. Variable factor is shown to you. There are 3 stages: stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3, right? As you can see in these stages, the below graph is also depicting the same stages. Stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. Right? देखो जैसे यहाँ पे आपको मिल रहा है F के साथ D at stage 1. When average product, marginal product is high with variable factor. और जब total product जो है वो कम है. Are you able to see that beta? Is that clear? Okay. See, very first stage when F and D are connected, second stage is given with S, and third stage with H, and ending it with MP. See, the slope of the line joining the origin and a point on TP is AP. You can see the AP written over here. You can see the lines are jointing, lines are connecting to each other. When this slope of line are joining, right? When ये ऊपर वाला ग्राफ जहाँ पे TP हमको दिखाया गया है, वहां पे अगर आप देखो तो TP से जो लाइन ज्वाइन हो रही है वो AP से होते हुए MP के पास जा रही है, राइट? सी व्हेन MP इज देयर मतलब वो मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स है, मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्शन. यस, व्हेन MP इज इक्वल टू AP, MP is maximum tab when MP is equal to AP and MP is equal to 0. This is your homework also. This graph, these two graphs along with this explanation, you have to write in your notebook as well. This is the explanation of what we have, what we seen in the last slide. See beta, when we talk here about stages, the stage 1, when TP increased at an increasing rate, right, up to a point jab TP increase hua at an increasing rate. Next is when MP of variable factor is rising, jab variable factor ka marginal product matlab maximum price rise ho raha hai. Next is point F. See, you can see here point F, right? Point F is point of inflection where TP curve rises but उसका slope जो है वो decline हो रहा है. That means TP is increasing at a diminishing rate, right? MP starts falling but it's positive. MP fall हो रहा है लेकिन maximum price fall हो रहा है लेकिन positive. Okay, AP reaches its highest point. See, you can see here AP. AP at the highest point, right? AP reaches its highest point. MP of variable factor rises and then falls. MP of fixed factor is negative, right? And quantity of fixed factor is too much to the variable factor, right? Then we will talk about stage 2. ये हमने सिर्फ stage 1 की बात की जहाँ पे F was at a connecting point, yellow line, right? Now we'll talk about stage 2. See, I'll share this graph again. See, stage 2 जहाँ पे blue line की बात है, जहाँ पे हम S point के साथ connection जोड़ रहे हैं, right? See, when we talk about stage 2, TP increases at a diminishing rate. It reaches to the maximum point, right? MP and AP are diminishing but they are positive, and here MP becomes 0. ठीक है, ये हुई stage 2 की बात जहां पे हमने देखा blue line is connected, right? Now we will see stage 3. That means the green line which is connecting with H. Yes, see, you can see the stage 3 when TP slopes downwards. That means when MP of variable factor is negative because it starts sloping at diminishing rate. Okay. See, here are some interactions. In which states the producer should produce? According to you, in which states the producer should produce? स्टेज वन में उसको प्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए. यस यशवी, प्रोड्यूसर को स्टेज वन पे प्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए. No. Okay. We'll see the reason why no. Because MP of fixed factor is negative and there is no fully utilization of the resources. Resources का fully utilization नहीं हो रहा है stage वन पे. Yes? Yes, Mehak. Is it better to produce the things at stage 3? Okay. Very good. Because MP of variable factor is negative. So it is not good to produce at stage 3. Okay. Yes, Yash. Is it good to produce at stage 2? Okay. Please put on your video. Because MP and AP are positive, but they are diminishing the prices. That's why stage 2 is preferable and advisable for the producer to produce anything for production function. Clear? Yes. See, there are some stages. There are some stages of economic non regions or economic nonsense, economic absurdity. That means वहाँ पे कुछ stages ऐसे होते हैं जहाँ पे प्रोड्यूसर को बिल्कुल एडवाइजेबल नहीं होता इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए बिकॉज दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर प्लेस और दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर बोलते हैं ना कि जहाँ पे एमपी टीपी एपी सारी चीजों को कंसिडर करते हुए प्रोडक्शन इज नॉट प्रेफरेबल और रिजल्टफुल. उन स्टेजेस को बोलते हैं इकोनॉमिक नॉनसेंस स्टेजेस, इकोनॉमिक एब्सर्डिटी स्टेजेस. Yes, please remember this name, sir, student. Okay. This जिसकी वजह से इंक्रीज इन रिटर्न्स आता है एंड डिमिनिशिंग रिटर्न्स होता है. Yes. Okay. First we will see the increasing returns. ठीक है. When we talk about the increasing returns, quantity of fixed factor is abundant than variable factor. यस, क्वांटिटी जो है वो फिक्स्ड फैक्टर की अबांडेंट है वेरिएबल फैक्टर के कंपैरिजन में. ओके. यस, व्हेन फिक्स्ड फैक्टर आर इनडिविजिबल, दे आर नॉट पॉसिबल टू बी डिवाइडेड, राइट. व्हेन with addition to the variable factor, fixed factor is more effective and intensively utilized. Yes. When there are more units of variable factor, the efficiency of variable factor will increase and this will give you the specialization of labor. And because of these things, जहाँ पे employment, labor, production, everything is going up, everything is rising up, तो वो चीजें होंगी when the causes increase. के प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन होना चाहिए उसके causes बढ़ जाते हैं. Okay. Last topic for today will be when and how this returns in a negative way. That means ये diminishing कब कौन से stages पे होता है. Yes. See, when the maximum point has reached, जब maximum limit आ गई है कि इससे ज़्यादा ऊपर प्रोडक्शन फंक्शन का इजीली फ्लेक्सिबल होना पॉसिबल नहीं है, राइट. दैट इज द रीजन कब मैक्सिमम पॉइंट पे अगर हम पहुंच गए उसके बाद हमको डिक्लाइन पे आना पॉसिबल होता है, राइट. व्हेन द अमाउंट ऑफ वेरिएबल फैक्टर इज सफिशिएंट to ensure the efficient utilization of fixed factor, right. When there is a production contribution, the production का contribution variable factor के through हो रहा है and after reaching at a point it becomes less एज द एडिशनल यूनिट्स जो भी वेरिएबल फैक्टर के हैं वो फिक्स्ड फैक्टर के कंपैरिजन में कम हो जाते हैं. And this becomes the reason why it gives you the diminishing returns. Clear?